This video is sponsored by Autokrafters. Alrighty. Hey, let's do this little one first. I already opened it, got excited. So this is a pin, and then this is made for bench and bucket seats, but it is the chrome handle for adjusting the seat forward and back. You can see the part number right there. Made by Scott Drake. Cool. All right, so these, well, you guys can probably guess. Whoa, they're huge. Hey, cool. Hey. Cut pile. That logo, isn't that cool? They called me up and asked what color I wanted this. So it looks like they may do this in-house. I'm not sure, the embroidery. What do you guys think? It's really nice. See, I use my truck, so I'm thinking about, see, this carpet I think should be like this. It should be cut pile. I think what I want to do is sort of hold on to these, use my truck, and then put these in when I go to shows, you know, just so I don't dirty them up that much. I mean, again, my truck isn't really a show truck, but, you know, it'd be nice to have some nice stuff. Here is the carpet, yeah. This is the cut pile. Different from the loop pile. Loop pile came out, I think, on the 70s vehicles, and it's what everyone puts in there. Oh, wow. I don't even know if you can see that. Dude, it even comes with this, looks like some kind of floor cushion. That's going to be real thick after I put said sound deadener in. That'll do. Oh, wow. So it looks like it's going to be easier to vacuum, actually. So I've had loop pile before, and it actually looks like it, I don't know. Loop pile holds stuff, this might hold more. But the loop pile was hard to vacuum because you would like vacuum it and then it would catch and you'd pull the loop. But, this is interesting. First time I've ever done cut pile. I kind of like it. It's got the, if I'm correct, this is, oh, interesting. That's cool. So I don't know if you can tell, it comes with this liner around here, so that's interesting. Sewn on. And by the looks of it, it goes all the way to the back over here. It goes all the way around. So what's kind of cool is I'm hoping, anyway, we'll see, is that they asked me if I wanted a cut for my tank, and I told them that, like my, you know, the tank behind my seats, I told them that, I said, I'm going to take it out one day. And I said, so I'd like to cut it as if I don't have the tank. So I'm hoping that I get to find a way to install it around my tank so that it's not too, I don't know, visible, I guess. So we'll see. I like it. All right, let's get this. Let's do this. I think this is the speakers for the black headliner. You guys know what I'm talking about. Saw it on the last video. I went online, so the speakers that come with those, like I landed a new one. So I'm gonna use this used one I bought for sort of like a mock-up. like I said last video. So they're 4x4 inch, right? So I went online and I just ordered some that seemed pretty decent. Haven't heard of this name brand, but like I said in the last video, like, oh, I hate these. I don't really listen to the speakers. Like, I don't really listen to music in my truck. I usually just listen to the exhaust. But I thought, well, if I'm gonna have speakers before I ever install the thing, I'm going to want some nice ones. So all I'm gonna do is find some head units to be Bluetooth. I don't think I'm ever gonna do the radio or anything, so. All right, let's see, this is just box one here. I got two pretty identical boxes, so I assume the other one just has this in it. So, DS18 Select. I don't know, is that a good speaker? Better than ones that come in it, I can tell you that. I can tell just in the picture. And I'll find the other speaker and compare them, you know. I wonder if that fits. Tons of screws. Nice. I like that it has. Okay, it says designed and engineered in the USA, made in PRC. Anyway, so I'll grab the other speaker, but what I liked about these is that I'm pretty sure this is just plastic and it's supposed to look like carbon fiber. I'll grab the other one. So yeah, now granted, this is off the used black headliner. It's like paper and this is like cheap plastic and stuff. So these were definitely like bargain speaker, made in China, Magnedyne. You know, they came along with the, and I can't vouch for what they use now. Like I'll find out when I get it, the new one. But you can tell just it's a better speaker, definitely better sound. So this one's definitely worse for wear. I'm going to try the speaker on, make sure it fits. It looks like it's the same depth. So, I don't know. I wonder if I think I have to use these, so I'll have to see if that fits. Yeah, there's no way I can use that. Hey man, it works. I can make it work. Cool. Let's see how it fits on the mock-up headliner I have. Like I said, this is the used one I found for like 50 bucks. It's missing this part, and it has been through the ringer. So the guy that I bought it from said that it didn't really ever get installed. It was like attempted to get installed, and then nothing really happened. So it just sat in the garage and all that jazz. So let's see how that speaker fits in here. You can tell, but yeah, the holes line up. Sweet. Yeah. What do you guys think? One down there, the old ones, and this is the new one. I like it. I'm happy with it. All right. It's going to be interesting. Remember where it all goes. Got a lot of screws missing. So this is what I used when this started sagging. Hashtag ghetto. And I got, that's nice. Huh. That's interesting. So I've got this, no idea what it is actually. Some kind of push tab holding up the rest. No idea what's into this. Yeah. Just set that right there. All right. Somebody riveted where a screw is supposed to be on the Ranger chrome. Huh, it's gonna be fun to figure out. All right, next let's put in the mock-up headliner. Okay, gonna be fun. Dude. Better, I guess. So this sucks. Maybe. No, yeah, this sucks. Yeah, it's better. It's gonna be hard to run my Ranger stuff with this on, but I want to find out how.